Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho Mail, manage business email step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type mail.zoho.com and press enter. Wait for the Zoho Mail sign-in page to load completely. On the sign-in screen, locate the email or phone field. Type the business email address associated with your Zoho account. Click or tap Next to continue. Find the password field on the next screen. Enter your Zoho account password carefully. If you are on a private device, you can keep the Stay Signed In option enabled. If you are using a shared or public computer, make sure Stay Signed In is turned off. Click or tap Sign In to access your mailbox. If two-factor authentication is enabled, check your phone or authenticator app. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and confirm. After login, you will land in the Zoho Mail inbox view. Look at the left sidebar to see folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Spam. Click Inbox to confirm you are viewing new incoming messages. To read an email, click the subject line in the message list. To reply, click Reply and type your message in the editor area. To send a new email, click Compose and enter the recipient address. Add a clear subject line that matches the purpose of your message. Write your email content, then review it for accuracy and tone. If needed, click the attachment icon to add files from your device. Click Send to deliver the message from your business email account. To manage settings, click the gear icon to open Mail settings. In Settings, update your display name, signature, and vacation responder if required. To add or switch between multiple accounts, open your profile menu and choose the account option. If you cannot log in, use Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. When you finish, click your profile icon and select Sign Out for secure logout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.